In this video, I will show you how to find and see your blocked emails in Gmail. To get started, what you want to do is head over to gmail.com and log into your account. Now, once you've done that, if you come up and click onto the settings icon at the top, and on this window that comes up, you want to come and click on to see all settings. Now, what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. From here, come up to the top, and you're going to see an option for filters and blocked addresses. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is open a screen like this. Now on this page you might need to scroll down, but at the bottom you're going to find all your blocked email addresses. If there's any here you want to unblock, you can see there's going to be an unblock link next to the email address you want to unblock. So if you give that a click, it's going to open a window like this, asking if you want to unblock this email. And then of course you can click unblock if you want to start receiving messages from that email address. By default, any blocked emails generally go into your spam folder. So if there's any blocked emails you're looking for in particular, just simply come across to your spam folder and you should find your blocked emails in here. So that's how to find blocked emails in Gmail. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Gmail and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.